Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So I'm bringing you a beginning keto grocery haul. I'm not at my house, I'm at my Aunt Fran's house, and she's going to give this keto thing a try. We're doing just a small trial run for her and her family, and I went with her to the grocery store to pick up some keto staples. She does have things in her fridge and freezer that will help her kind of make it through, but I wanted to share with you what I helped her pick up, because I'm not going to have a grocery haul this week on my channel for my house. So we did pick up a head of cabbage. We're going to do fried cabbage and bacon. We picked up one thing of the Truvia brown sugar. We're going to use that in some peanut butter cookies. We picked up two things of the low moisture part skim mozzarella. I'm going to help her do a keto pizza dough. We picked up some of the Great Value stevia sweetener. Picked up heavy whipping cream. 2 ranch packets. She is going to prep a roast for, oh, we forgot the pepperoncinis, but she's going to do a Mississippi roast. We picked up a veggie pasta maker. These were $6. I still like the spaghetti for $9.99. Some mustard. We did pick up, you know, the super fine bleached almond flour, real bacon pieces, a strawberry medley. Picked up some of this unsweetened chocolate bacon bar for the peanut butter cookies, baking powder, 100% peanut butter. Picked up a thing of measuring utensils, and then 2 blocks of cream cheese. So we're going to see how it works out for her. I'm helping cook tonight. We're going to do a couple recipes, and then she's going to let us know how she's doing on her journey in a week. So I did want to bring you guys along just to share with you kind of what we were going to be doing. Tonight we're doing Nashville hot pork chops, fried cabbage, and peanut butter cookies. I'm also going to make drop biscuits, and they did pick up some Halo Top as well. So that is it. Really small grocery haul. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now. We are just noticing that the cauliflower she bought is not here. We had some cauliflower and we don't see it. So we might have left it at Walmart, which would be unfortunate because it was not
because I put it on in the,
So we're going to check for it and see. She had 3 bags of cauliflower, and I think that was all that was in there that we're missing. But we are going to find it. But again, thank you guys so much for stopping by. We'll let you know how she's doing soon. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.